What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and smash that subscribe button before we get started. So we've got a 2024 Dodge Ram that I'm putting a Hexis Headlight Tint on /PPF. So I've already put it on, but I made a little video and you can kind of see just got really light tint just to give it a little kind of cooler look, but not really impede on your headlights too much. Not that that matters because these babies are super bright. So let's go ahead and roll right into it. Thank you so much for watching. That's going to do it for this video. Next week, I'll be wrapping a Tesla Model 3 Highland in Avery Dennison Satin Metallic Silver. So that video will be coming out in about a week. But until then, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.